Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. Jazz Time is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at jazztime.com. Today we're going to be looking at this ladies stainless steel Patek Philippe Nautilus self-winding with a Silvery Opaline index dial. The model reference number on this watch is 7118/1200A-010. Retail price on this watch as of 2022 is just over $39,000 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and bracelet. I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review as well. The Nautilus is arguably one of the most well-known and respected models in today's luxury Swiss watch market. It's made famous by designer Gerald Genta, who has previously designed the Royal Oak for Audemars Piguet. This guy hit 2 home runs with 2 world-famous brands. Now, it was first introduced in 1976, and it remains in their watch lineup today as one of their best sellers. This ladies' Nautilus is in stainless steel. The case is just over 35 millimeters from left to right, and it's less than 9 millimeters thick from front to back. The watch is water resistant up to 60 meters or 200 feet, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. I mean, why not? It's a Nautilus. Now, the diamond bezel on this watch holds 56 diamonds. It does a very nice job of wrapping up this dial. Really pretty. Now, it's high polished for the mirror finish on the sides. And the bezel on this Nautilus, I mean, it's definitely recognizable, and the diamonds make it look dressier without muddying the look of the watch. Now, going in the dial, we're looking at this beautiful Silvery Opaline dial with index hour markers. You also see little dark black minute markers on the outside of the dial as well. The dial is sporty with the index markers, but the diamond bezel just keeps the watch looking dressy. I like that there's a darker shade of waves going from left to right of the dial. You see that? It gives the dial a little bit more character and contrast. And you can see the date window here at the 6 o'clock position. That's black text on a white background, makes it easy to read. There is lume on this dial that's on the index markers and the hour and minute hands, so it's easy to read in low light conditions. This collection offers this watch in blue opaline, gray opaline, or white opaline dial colors as well. The crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be wound in its first position. Now 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position will adjust the date. You see it switch over to the 6th. Third position is going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have your hands set, you can pop the crown back in and your watch is set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 324 SC date. It has the hour, minute, date, and center seconds function. You'll find this movement in a lot of Nautiluses and Aquanaut watches, even some Calatravas and 24 automatics. Now, the power reserve on this movement is about 35 to 45 hours max, so you can set this watch down for a few days. It will still be keeping time when you pick it up. Now, it will also stay wound while it's on your wrist, as it's an automatic. Now, onto the bracelet holder of this watch. We are looking at a stainless steel Nautilus bracelet with a half polish. High polish on the center links, and there's a satin finish on the outer links. Now, this bracelet has a double deployment that opens and closes up the bracelet. You can see the engraved Patek Philippe logo where you clasp it together. The bracelet looks really good and secure on the wrist, so let's go ahead and try that out. Goes on easy and comes off easy. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, this Nautilus collection of watches has enjoyed years of success. The look of this watch is very pleasing to the eye. If I was to choose between a Ladies Royal Oak or this watch, I think the Nautilus would be an easier watch to wear. It's thinner and feels smooth on the wrist. Look how thin that is. Works well as an everyday watch. It's stainless steel, it's not automatic, and has a date function. These are things I'd be looking for in an everyday wear watch. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website, jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 7118/1200A-010 for this Silvery Opaline Dial. This is the stainless steel Patek Philippe Nautilus with Silvery Opaline Dial. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.